Welcome to the Invisalign family. We're excited that you're joining a community of millions of smiles. Now, it's your turn. Let's get started by taking out the starter kit your doctor gave you and your new Invisalign aligners. To insert your new aligners, follow the instructions from your doctor. Start by gently pushing one aligner over your front teeth and apply equal pressure with your fingertips to the front and back until it snaps into place. Repeat for the other aligner. To take off your aligners, use your fingertips to slowly pull the aligner from your back molars, then remove from the front. Your teeth will begin to move as soon as your aligners are in, so you may feel discomfort or pressure at the beginning of each aligner change, especially in the early stages of your treatment. This should go away in a few days as your teeth get used to moving. You may have little tooth-colored material attached to your teeth called attachments. These give your aligners something to gently grip so your teeth move with the right amount of force, and they help make complex movements possible. The best way to clean your aligners is to use a soft toothbrush, toothpaste, and warm water. Now, onto the fun part. With Invisalign treatment, you can live your life without any interruptions or compromises. So you can do what you want and eat what you want. So that your aligners don't get stained, be sure to take them off before you eat or drink anything but water. Always brush and floss your teeth, then rinse and dry your aligners before putting them back in. Download the My Invisalign app to track your liner wear time, set reminders for aligner changes, and monitor your progress. And share your new smile with us on social media @Invisalign. Invisalign is comfort and confidence, so you can have the smile you want the way you want it. Invisalign, transforming smiles, changing lives.